Hi guys, we have a transporter here 2023 with the fault code P26AB00. Solenoid valve for coolant stuck in open position. We checked the wiring diagrams. Here is the wiring diagram. So this is the motor, the valve itself and the sensor. Pin number 2 is the signal wire. Pin number 3 and 1 are power and ground to the sensor. So with the sensor disconnected, we had no voltage on the signal wire. At first we think it was a little bit strange, because normally you would suspect a bias voltage or something like that, but there was nothing. We took a look at the actuator test on Odis, and when everything was connected there was 4.2 volts on this wire. You can see it here, 4.3 at the moment. So the valve is over there. There it is. Yeah, not easy to see, but there you can see it. This is the new valve, and the old valve didn't move. So let's look at the data now. So Odis is connected. We're going to do a actuator test. Okay, we can see it's active now, and we can see basic voltage. It says basic voltage, but it shows in milliamps, and let's say it's 2.14, 1.9, 1.6, and that's what we see at our multimeter as well. So it shows milliamps, but that's actually the position of the sensor in voltage. With the old valve we could see the voltage not changing, it stays at 4.2, even when we could hear the actuator diagnostic was active, but it didn't change. So this one was really stuck in open position. And now it's successful, and with the old valve it wasn't successful. So keep in mind, you will see the voltage of the sensor and not the milliamps. Maybe you think this would be the current of the motor or something like that, but it is actually the voltage of the sensor. So if you see this fault code, something like this, P26A, P26A6, P26B1, P26AB or P26A3, there's a TPI which says to check the valve, and it could be stuck inside.